Ooh.
I like.
Ooh. The lens is actually sick though.
Yeah. So Moment sent me this lens. I'm gonna do some TikToks on it, but I'm also gonna use it in this video. Stay tuned for behind the scenes of that now. Before we get into today's video, please watch it all the way through to the end. That is the most important metric on these platforms. So if you're interested in photography and you want to help this channel grow, even if you've got to have a cup of tea and play this in the background, it really does the channel good to have you watch it all the way to the end. Additionally, please vote in the comments now. Pause this video, go in the comments now. Please let me know what style of content you want to see more from me. Do you want to see more POVs? Do you want to see more tutorials? Do you want to see more vlogs? Do you want to see more reviews? Let me know and I will make more of that content. Again, there's no use having 850 subscribers if I'm getting 4 views. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I don't think it can be good. So please watch it all the way through to the end. Enjoy the POV. And I just can't hide it. So same pose again with the hands.
And is this for picture, video? How do I?
Picture, yeah. Wow. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wow. 3, 2, 1. Come a bit closer towards me. All right. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And then face that way for me. Oh, yes. 3, 2, 1. And then stand here and face that way. Yes. So back a bit. Yeah. Yes. Awesome. Future Kim here. Obviously this lens, you know, I took some bad photos with it as well. I'll show you those in a sec. But obviously there is no perfect lens. So bear that in mind. You could take bad photos with any lens. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. All right, back to the video. Right, let me frame you properly. Stand here. Same again, looking that way. Yes. 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And looking at the camera. Head straight. Yes, perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And then one last thing. I don't know how I want to put it though. Lean against this wall for me. Lean on this corner. Oh, yeah. Let's do it that way. Yeah, do what you just did, like lean forward, looking out kind of thing. Yeah. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And then a close up. Stand up here for me. I want this one to be just super dramatic. Come this way. Ooh. Take a step back. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Can you believe these are taken on the phone?
Ooh. Ooh.
I like.
Bro. The lens is actually sick though.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is nice.
When I edit these.
So clean. So clean, bro. So clean.
And here for me. Dewey just did with the mouth facing that way. So turn your body that way. Yeah, awesome. 3, 2, 1. Wow. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Look that way. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Yeah. If I don't stop now, I never will. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this. The link is in the description to buy this lens on the Moment website and have a look at the rest of their gear.